बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Dear students, we start exercise 1.3. In exercise 1.3 there are different types of equations which we solve in this exercise. Now the exercise is exercise 1.3. Now question number 1. This is question number 1. We write the question of this form: 2x4 and minus 11x square and plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we solve this equation. First this equation we convert into the quadratic equation, and for this we replace y is equal to x square. Y is equal to this x square. We put let y is equal to x square. Now squaring both sides, y square this and also x square, we write here square, and y square is equal to x4. Now x4 we put y square and x square we put here y, and we write this 2y square and minus 11y and plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have convert this equation into quadratic equation, and now we solve this equation. Either you factorize this or using the formula, any types of method you solve to adopt this to solve this question. Let's suppose we try to make the factorization. Now 5 multiplied by 2. Now this 2 multiplied by this 5, we have 10. Now we want to make two factors of 10, which we multiply, we get 10, and plus add and subtract, we get minus 11. This minus 11. Repeat again. This 10, yes, 2 plus 5 is equal to 10. We make the factor 2 of this 10, and if we add, we get minus 11. If we multiply, we get 10. Now we have clearly 10 multiplied by 1. 10 multiplied by 1. If we put minus sign 10 and also minus sign 1, then minus 10 and minus 1 we get 11, minus 11, and if we multiply this, we get 10. Right here 2y square my 10y and minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we take 2y common here, this from y minus 5, and minus 1 come here, and we write y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this and this we take common, y minus 5 taken common from this, or inside we only the remaining will be 2y and minus 1 is equal to 0. Now either y minus 5 is equal to 0, or here y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. And now from this 2y or 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we get 2y is equal to 1. This minus 1 will go on the right side, or we write here y is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have two values. Y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1 by 2. Now we again replace y into x square. Now we have replaced before y is equal to x square. Now by replacing by y by x square, we write here, we write again y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1 over 2. Now we putting the value of y here, this, and x square is equal to, and y is equal to here, and we put x square here is equal to 5. Now we want to find the value of x, therefore we take the square root on both sides. We write here take square root x square is equal to plus minus under root 5, and this will cancel this. You have only x is equal to plus minus under root 5. Now we take second value. Again x square is equal to 1 over 2, and again we take the square root of both sides. X square is equal to plus minus under root 1 over 2, and we get here x, because this will cancel this, is equal to plus minus under root of 1 is 1, and now there is no under root of 2. We write the same as under root 2. Now we have two values, this two values and this two values. We put the in solution set. The solution set is plus minus under root 5 and plus minus 1 over under root 2. Now this is the solution set of the first question. Now we write the second question. The second question is, this is the second question, and 2x4, the second question, 2x4 and minus 9 and is equal to 9x square and minus 4. Now this is the question is given like this: 2x4 is equal to 9x square minus 4. First we make these factors, these terms will go on the left side. We write here 2x4 minus 9x square 2 and plus 4 is equal to 0. Now take same steps. Let y is equal to x square. Now this, squaring both sides, we get this. Y square is equal to x4. Now we write this x4 y square and x square y. We put the 2y square and minus 9y and plus 4 is equal to 0. Replacing the value of x2 and x4. Now we write this. We have now quadratic equation, and 2y square minus 9y is plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we factorize 4 multiplied by this, we have 8. Now if we multiply, we want to make the two factors of this number. If we multiply, we get 8. If we subtract or add, we get minus 9. Clearly we have two factors, 1 and 8. Now we take the minus sign 1 and also minus sign with 8. If we multiply these two factors, we get 8. If we add this, same sign we add and minus 9. So write here 2y square minus 8y and minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Same again, we take 2y common from this and we get y minus 4, and also minus 1 common here, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now y minus 4 take common from this and write in brackets 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Either y minus 4 is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. Now this is one value, our one value y, and the second is, or 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have two values, y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1 by 2. Now on next page we write these values, and we know that replacing the value of y, replacing the value of y as, now we write here y is equal to, we know that y is equal to x square. Now we have y is equal to only 4 dash, and the second is y is equal to 1 by 2. Now we take this y is equal to 4, we replace this y is equal to x square is equal to 4 here. We're taking square root on both sides. X square is equal to plus minus under root 4, and this will cancel this. You have only x is equal to under plus minus 2. The square root of 4 is 2. Now we take second, y is equal to 1 by 2. Again we put y as we write here x square is equal to 1 over 2. We take square root of the both side. X square is equal to plus minus square root of 1 by 2. We get x is equal to plus minus 1 over under root 2. This, now we combine this result and put in the solution set. This is our solution set is equal to, now first we write plus minus 2 and plus minus 1 over under root 2. Now it is the solution set of the second question of this 1.13 exercise. Now we write third question. Third question is our third question is, we write the third question. Third question is equal to 5x की 1 over 2 and is equal to 7 x4 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 7x 1 by 4 and minus 2. First we these two terms take to the side, the left side. We write here 5x 1 over 2 minus 7x 1 by 4 and minus plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this plus here minus, this minus here plus. Now we take this, we rearrange this in like this, in this form. Now again we let y is equal to x over 1 by 4. Now we put this x power 1 by 4 is equal to y. Now squaring y is equal to x over 1 by 4. We squaring both sides. Y square is equal to, now again x over 1 by 4 square here, y square is equal to, now this multiply this, power over power, power will multiply by. It means 1 by 4 multiplied by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. And y square is equal to x power 1 by 2. Now we put the value of x power 1 by 4, this and this. And we write here 5y square minus 7y and plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we make the factor. This is our 5 and here is the constant. Constant term multiply the coefficient of y square. We have 5 multiplied by 2, 10. Now we make the factor of 10, and if we multiply we get the 10, and if we add we make the minus 7. Now 5 2s are 10. It means 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Now minus 2 and minus 5 are two factors which we write here. 5y square minus 5y and minus 2y and plus 2 is equal to 0. Again we take 5y as a common from this, y minus 1 and minus 2 from common from this, and y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now again y minus 1 common from this as the whole, and the remaining will be 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now again either y minus 1 is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Again we take this, or 5y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 5y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 by 5. Now we have two values, and y is equal to 1 and y is equal to over 5. Now we again this replace, we know that y is equal to x power 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. We put this in replacing this. By replacing y x over 4 in place of y. We write here x की power 1 by 4 is equal to, do you have y is equal to 1, and we write here this one. Now we take fourth root of this fourth of root of this, x power 1 by 4 and this 4 is equal to 1 over 4 this, and we have this multiple this 1, and you have x is equal to 1. This is our first value of x. Now again y is equal to, we have 1 by 2 by 5. Now this is 2 by 5. Now we have y is equal to, we put x over 1 by 4. Now this 2 over 5. Now we take the fourth of this is this x 4, 1 by 4, and we take 4, and here also 2 over 5 is fourth power. Now fourth will multiply 4, you get 1, you have x only 2 power 4, this, and this power of 2 also, and this power of also of 5. Now 2 over 5 here, and what x is equal to, 2 power 4 mean 2 mean 2 power 4 mean you have 16. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 to multiply 2, 4 times 2, and similarly this 4 times 5, 4 times 5, it means 5 5 5 5. It means 5 5 is 25, and 5 5 is 25, 25 25 is 625. Now you have two solution set, two solution. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 16 over 2, 16 over 625. Write this solution set is equal to 1 and 16 over 6,205. Now this is the solution of our this question. Now we take next question. Next question is about this is our 3 question, and we stop this, and we next 4th question will be in second video.